Hi friends, welcome to day 5 of 14 Days of Watercolor Joy. Today we are painting a loose Christmas tree. Bold first strokes, delicate finish lines, and a sprinkle of gold. If you've ever thought, this looks messy, perfect. We are about to turn messy into magical. This is also great practice for stroke size with different brushes. First big and light, then thin and detail. You'll see how repetition builds control and exploration reveals your style. Loose trees, you learn to trust movement, not micromanage it. We'll stock two kinds of mark making. Bold, airy, thick strokes for the body. Dark, fine, linear strokes on top for texture and shape. And then the cherry on top. Details. Star, ornaments, base, shadows. Practice and repetition are pillars of success. The more you repeat these two layers, the faster your hand learns when to let go and when to refine. Grab watercolor paper, watercolors, 2 cups of water, towel, and 2 brush types. A round, size 4, 6 work great. And a liner brush. We'll also use a gold for ornaments. Instant elegance. Round brush fans, I see you. You can absolutely try the thin lines with the round tip. Just know the liner brush delivers more consistent fine strokes because it depends more on movement than pressure. Today's Christmas practice sheet is different. It gives you room to loosen those strokes. The guide marks hint at length and direction, so your branches feel natural, not overplanned. You'll also see small circles to practice start points and ornament sizes. Remember, these sheets are a safe playground. Test color combos, try odd shapes, no guilt. No guilt about wasting paper while you learn. Start with light, watery color. Thinker first, paint second. Let the brush glide. Longish strokes with a slight downward taper. Vary in length so it feels like a real pine. Don't chase perfection, chase rhythm. Your first layer is about silhouettes and freshness. Now the fun, crazy, but trust me part, add fine, darker lines on top. This can look scratchy at first. Wait for it. As they build, your tree gains definition and texture. This is where the liner shines. You are not juggling pressure. You are guiding movement. Long hairlines strokes that suggest needles and depth. With a round brush tip, you can do this. It just takes more practice for consistent lines. But you can try both. For the start, test both. A steady liner star or a round brush tip star. I'm trying liner today for super crisp lines. Ornaments. Mix a gold and add small circles. Vary sizes. Base and ground. A few loose horizontal brushstrokes in a neutral or shadowy green. You don't have to use brown. It can be red. Swap star styles. Try a ribbon flick. This is your tree. That's why these practice sheets matter. You can test 10 ideas without fear. Practice plus repetition turns experiments into confidence. The magic here is contrast. First bold, light, thick, then darker, thin, and tiny details. Something that starts messy becomes delicate and beautiful because you layered intention over freedom. I hope you enjoy letting go a little and then refining with that liner brush. If you gift this to someone or even sell a print, you'll feel so proud of what your hands created. Tag your tree with my Christmas brush so I can share for you. And if you are catching up, each video is just a few minutes, jumping anywhere. I'll see you in the next video for day 6. And until then, keep playing. Oh, and about the gold color, use a designated brush just for that kind of colors and rinse it on a separate cup of clean water to prevent sparkles contamination everywhere.